Welcome students, today we are going to start with our new chapter number 15, that is statistics, practice set 54. Practice set 54 is based on the formula of average. So this is your first question. The daily rainfall for each day of a week in a certain city is given in millimeter. This data is regarding the rainfall given in millimeter of each day in a week. We have to find what the average rainfall. So to find out the average rainfall, we require the formula of average. So this is the formula of average. You should know. Average is equals to sum of all scores in the given data divided by total number of scores. Now what is sum of all scores? Whatever data is given, these numbers, that together we have to add and divide by that total number of scores. Means how many times they are? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have to divide it by 7. So this is the formula of average. So let us use this formula and find out the average rainfall. So first of all, we'll write the formula. Average rainfall is equals to total. We can write sum or total. Sum and total is same only. You have to add this data which is given of rainfall in millimeters. So this is what total rainfall divided by total scores. Total number of, this is what days. Total number of days. Total rainfall, you'll add these numbers. 9 plus 11 plus 8 plus 20 plus 10 plus 16 plus 12. Divide by total number of days. How many days these are? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we'll divide by 7. We add this. 9 plus 11 is 20, 28. 28 and 20 is 48. 48 and 10 is 58. 58 and 16 and 12. 8 and 6, 14, 15, 16, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 86. So 86 we have to divide by 7. So if we divide 86 by 7, what we will get? 7 ones are 7. 8 minus 1 is 8 minus 7 is 1. Take this 6 down. 7 twos are 14. 2 remaining. You have to take point because the number is finished. So 20. 7 twos are 14. 20 minus 14 will give you 6. Point is already taken. Borrow one more 0. So 7 8s are 56. 60 minus 56 will give you 4. Point already taken. Borrow one more 0. 7 5s are 35. 40 minus 35 will give you 5. Point already taken. Take 0. 7 7s are 49. 1. You can take it after point 2 digits also. So no need of go on continuing. You can take after point 2 digits you can do, or you can stop. So it is 12.28. When we can write this as 12.29, because this third digit after point is 5 or greater than 5, you can take this second digit as 9. Means 1 greater we can take. So this is, we can write is like this also, 12.28. Point after point 2 digits are enough. So 12.2 millimeter to 29 millimeters. Rainfall is in millimeter. So how much we got average rainfall? 12.29 millimeters. So let us move to the second sum. Just read it, go through what is this data about. During the annual function of a school, a women's self-group has set up a snack stall. Their sales every hour were worth rupees 960, rupees 830, rupees 945, rupees 800, rupees 847, rupees 970 respectively. What was the average of the hourly sales? We have to find out average only. So we'll write out, this is regarding average. This is total sales. This is what? Sales. So total sales divided by, this is total number of hours. During an hour they are saying, no? Every hour. So divide by total hours. So total sales are this much, this data. Add that 960 plus 830 plus 945 plus 800 plus 847 plus 970. Divide by how many hours? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So divide by 6. Add this 960 plus 830, 945, 800, 847, 970. This is 5 and 7, 12, 7 and 3, 10, 14, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 11, 11 and 8, 19, 19 and 9, 28, 28 and 16, 10, 6, 14, 2, 3, 4, 44 and 9, 9 and 4, 13, 53. So it is 5352. Yes. So this is 5352 divided by 6. You have to divide this 5352 by 6. 6 are 36, 7 are 42, 6 8 are 48. 53 minus 48, 13, here 4, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 5, 55. 6 9s are 54. 55 minus 54 is 1. Take this 2 down. 6 2s are 12. So we got plus 892. This is in rupees. Sales is in rupees. So average sale. Therefore, you can write last step also. Average sale is 892 rupees. Okay, average sale. This is regarding sale. So we written the formula, we substituted, we added, and we have divided by total number of hours. Let's go to the third sum. The annual rainfall in Vidarbha in 5 years. This is regarding 5 years data. Okay. What is the average rainfall? We have to offer this 5 years. So we'll write like this. Average rainfall is equals to total rain divided by total number of years. This is years. Total number of years. So total rainfall with this data we have to add. 900 plus 650 plus 450 plus 733 plus 400. Divide by how many years? They are already given 5, or you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So divide by 5. So let's add this 900, 650, 450, 733 and 400. If you add this, this is 3, 10, 13, 10, 16 and 4, 20, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. 3133 divide by 5. So let's divide 3133 by 5. 5 6 are 30. 31 minus 30 is 1. Take this 3 down. 5 2s are 10. 3. 5 6 are 30. 3 remaining. Take the point down. Borrow 0. 5 6 are 30. So this is 626.6. So average rainfall we got is equals to 626.6. This is in millimeter. Rainfall is in millimeter. So unit is must millimeter. Therefore, average rainfall is equals to 626.6 millimeter. Now let's see the last sum also. A farmer bought some sacks of animal feed. The weights of the sacks are given below in kilograms. These are all weights of the sacks. What is the average weight of the sack? So let's find out. Average weight is equals to total weight of sacks divided by total number of sacks. Divided by total number of sacks. To add this properly, 49, because all are in decimal, 49.8, 49.7 plus 49.5 plus 49.3 plus 50 plus 48.9 plus 49.2 plus 48.8. Divide by how much they are? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, divide by 8. So let's add it properly. 49.8 plus 49.7 plus 49.5 plus 49.3 plus 50, we can write like this because there is no point over here, plus 48.9 plus 49.2 plus 48.8. Add it properly. 8 and 7 15, 15 and 5 20, 23, 24, 25, 25 plus 9 or 8 17, 12, 2, 3, 42. So 4 carry 2 point. 9 4s are 36, 36 and 4 40, 48, 48 and 17 and 7 15 4 5 6 65 6 5 6 and 4 10 14 18 19 20 21 22 22 and 5 27 28 29 30 31 32 33 34 35 36 37 38 39. So we got 395.2. 395.2 divided by this 8. So let us divide 395.2 divided by 8. 8 8s are 64. 8 4s are 32 will be nearest. 8 9 minus 2 is 7. Take this 5 down. 8 9s are 72. 75 minus 72 is 3. Take this 2 down. 8 4s are 32. Your point after one digit. So answer is 49.4. Therefore, average weight of sack is 49.4. This is in kg, kilograms. So unit is must kg. So average weight is 49.4 kg. Here we have seen question practice at 54. In one more exercise is there, practice at 55. We will see that in next class.